Welcome to Illinois 4-H. This video will help you enroll in 4-H using our ZSuite enrollment system. Youth who wish to participate in 4-H and adults who will be serving as volunteers will need to enroll in 4-H through ZSuite. The first thing you'll do is go to the URL 4h.zsuite.org. Once there, click on Sign Up. In the State dropdown, select Illinois. In the second dropdown for County, select your county of residence. Enter your preferred email address for the account and confirm it again. Then enter the last name of the primary household member who will be responsible for the 4-H youth information entered into the system. Then create and confirm a password that is easily remembered. The password needs to be at least 6 characters in length. Create a 4-character PIN. This PIN allows the primary adult household member to electronically sign documents for enrollment. Once you've completed the info on this screen, select Let's Go. Your household account has now been created and you'll be taken to your household dashboard. To enroll youth as members or enroll yourself as a volunteer, you'll next need to click on the Plus Household Member button. On the next screen, enter the first and last name of the member or volunteer you are enrolling. Then choose their role, adult or youth. If you select youth, you'll also need to enter a birth date. 4-H enrollment is only open to youth ages 5 to 18 as of September 1st of the current 4-H year. Click Continue. On the next screen, you'll enter the requested member or volunteer personal information. Required fields are marked with a star. When you've completed this screen, click Next. On the next screen, you will read and sign the 4-H participation waivers. These include a risk waiver, 4-H code of conduct, and photo release. Once you've reviewed and signed the waivers, click Next. Then you'll be taken to the club screen where you will select your club or clubs and desired projects. To add a club, start by hitting the plus Add Club button. On the window that pops up, first select your county. This defaults to the county submitted when you created your account. If you are participating in a club in a neighboring county, you will need to select that county to find that club. Then select your desired club from the drop-down list. Some clubs may have age or participation restrictions. For example, clubs with Cloverbud in the name are open to youth ages 5 to 7. When you select a club, you'll see a club description that will tell you more about that group. If you are happy with your selection, finalize it by hitting the Add Club button. Then select Plus Add Project for the club selected. Select the desired project from the drop-down menu. Select Add Project and your selection will be added to the club. Feel free to add additional clubs or projects. If you make a mistake or wish to remove a project, select the X and confirm you wish to delete the project. When done, click Add to Cart. You will be taken to the cart checkout. From that screen, you can select to add additional family members using the Add Enrollment button, or complete your enrollment and pay. Once you've added all additional members or volunteers, click Pay for Enrollments on the main screen. Enter your payment information on the cart checkout if applicable. You can pay online with a credit card or via check at your local extension office. Once it is complete, your enrollments will be submitted to the county extension office for review. Your enrollment status will be changed to approved upon review and receipt of payment if applicable. Once you're approved, you're ready to explore all that 4-H has to offer. Find your spark by participating in 4-H experiences and events locally, regionally, statewide, or nationally. Welcome to Illinois 4-H.